In today's video, I'm going to share with you a simple strategy that you can use to start earning hundreds of dollars every single day with CPA marketing. And if you are new to this channel, I make videos about how to earn money online. And if you like that type of content, then make sure to look around the channel. You would definitely find other interesting videos. And also make sure to check out the first link in the description. It's going to bring you to this page where you can literally get started and start earning passive income with CPA marketing. So without out of the way, let's get back to today's video. So what I'm about to share with you today is a very powerful strategy using the movie niche. I know I've made a couple of videos about how to make money with the movie niche on this channel, but this is a very different and a brand new strategy. As you can see, if I come over to this landing page and I click on any of this app right here, so if I take this one as an example, as you can see, it's going to bring me to this page, which says I can download this app and have access to watch over 150,000 movies for absolutely free. So if I click on this download now, so after clicking on the download button, it's going to take me to a content locker, which is going to ask me to complete CPA offers before I can download the app. As you can see now, it says confirm free download. And now to continue download, you must complete 2 offers from hosting sponsors. So basically, this is an Ogads content locker this person is using. So basically, once you complete 2 offers, you are going to have access to download the app. But most of the time, these people don't really provide any app. They just basically let you complete the CPA offers and get nothing in return. So which is why I recommend using this website, btvapk.org. So once you come over to this website, you are going to have access to download this app that allows you to watch any movie for absolutely free. As you can see, it's available on Android, iOS, PC, and it's available on TV as well. Okay, so basically all you just need to do is to click on this download, and it's going to allow you to download it on whatever device you are using. So all you just need to do is to copy the link to this website. And once you copy this link, now you want to create a content locker. And now before I proceed, you want to keep in mind, you can use any CPA network of your choice to do this. You can use Cpagrip, you can also use Ogads or whatever content locking platform of your choice. So if you want to use Cpagrip, all you just need to do is to come over to the URL file locker and you want to create a new URL file locker. And also if you are on Ogads, all you just need to do is to come over to the content locker tools and you want to click on this content locker. So once you come over to this page, you want to click on this create a new content locker. And once you do that, here you can basically give your content locker whatever name you want. You want to scroll down to the very bottom and you want to paste in the link to this website inside this box. So basically this means whenever people complete the CPA offers, they will be redirected to this website where they can actually download a legitimate app that's going to allow them watch movies for absolutely free. Okay, so now before we proceed, you want to come over to the desktop specific and mobile specific section. And here you want to basically type in what you want your visitors to see before they complete the CPA offers. So basically, once you come to this section, you want to type in something simple like begin download. And then at the bottom, you want to type in to continue download, you must complete 2 offers. Okay, so now you want to basically copy this and you want to paste it in the mobile specific as well. So once you do this, you want to come over to the advanced section and this is where you want to select the amount of CPA offers you want your visitors to complete before they can have access to this page. So basically this is up to you, and once you're done, you want to click on create content locker. So once you create your content locker, so you want to copy the link to your content locker here. So once you copy your content locker link, then you want to create a landing page. So basically this is a very dynamic landing page right here that a lot of people use to promote movie niche. Okay, so basically you can create landing pages yourself if you want. You can basically come over to breezy.io and you can come over here and use one of their free templates to create a landing page. Or you can come over to Google Sites to create landing page as well if you prefer. All right, but if you want to use this type of landing page, then basically all you need to do is to go over to fiverr.com. So you want to type in website development on Fiverr, and once you click on that, you are going to basically see a lot of website developers that you can basically hire to create a landing page like this for you. Okay, So basically, all you just need to do is to take a screenshot of this page and you can send it to these developers and they are going to create a similar landing page like this. Okay, so basically that is all you need to do. And once you create your landing page, like I said, you want to make sure to include your content local link in the landing page. And once people complete the CPA offers, they will be taken to this page. And now I'm going to show you how to drive traffic using YouTube. So basically, once you come over to youtube.com, all you just need to do is to scroll down to this trending section. And once you come over to the trending section, you want to click on movies. And once you do this, you are going to see a lot of movies trailer that are already trending on YouTube. So basically, I'm going to take this one as an example. So if I click on this movie trailer, so once you click on any movie, you want to go to sort by and you want to click on newest first. So once you do this, you are going to see a lot of people who are going to say they want to see this movie. You can see this an example of someone right here saying they want to see this movie. So what you are going to do from here is very simple. All you just need to do is to click on this reply button and you want to basically type in something simple like this. Hey buddy, watch the full movie here, and you are going to include the link to your landing page. I hope this makes sense. So basically, you are going to see a lot of people who are already interested in seeing this movie. So basically, you can see this another person right here. So all you just need to do is to create multiple YouTube accounts that you are going to use to keep replying these people. And keep in mind, once you reply these people, they are going to get notified by YouTube that you replied them. And once they come over to the landing page and they try to download the app, they will be taken to your content locker and they are going to complete the CPA offers before they can have access to this page and you make money. So basically, that is how simple you can take advantage of using YouTube to get traffic to your landing page and start making money even if you are a complete beginner. So here is a bonus trick that you can use by going over to Google and you want to type in top movies 2023 and you are going to have access to other related keywords that you can search for on Google as well. So basically, I'm going to be taking top movies 2023 Netflix as an example. So if I click on that, so as you can see right here, these are the top 2023 movies on Netflix. As you can see, these are a lot of movies right here. So basically, if I take any of this as an example, this Extraction 2. So if I click on this movie, all right, so all you just need to do is to copy the title of this movie and you want to go back to YouTube. So once you come over to YouTube, you want to paste in the title of the movie right here and you want to type in trailer. Okay, so once you search for the trailer of this movie, so you want to click on the trailer of this movie. Okay, so if I click on this as an example, so now you want to scroll to the comment section and you want to click on newest first. So once you do that, you are going to see a lot of people still leaving comment on this video. You can see this person right here asking when. You can also see this another person asking when will it be released. Okay, so basically, like I said, you want to reply to these people by leaving a short comment directing them to your content locker. Okay, so basically, this is an additional method that you can use to drive even more traffic. There are so many movies on Netflix that you can use with this simple strategy. So basically, that brings us to the end of today's video. And if you find any value, please leave a like on the video. I really appreciate it. And if you have any questions, drop them in the comment section below and I'll catch you in the next video. Peace and love.